Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Step Stool is probably one of the most underrated tools in any home. Whether you're reaching for that top shelf in the kitchen, tackling a DIY project, or helping the kids wash their hands, a reliable step stool is a must-have. Today, we're diving deep into a step stool with a 300-pound capacity, exploring its features, build quality, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Rubbermaid Mini Folding Step Stool. This step stool features a foldable design, collapsing to under an inch. It's perfect for easy storage in tight spaces like closets or under furniture. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry around. You can use it in the kitchen, bathroom, office, or garage. Built for durability, this plastic step stool can hold up to 300 pounds. It has non-slip feet and a textured platform, ensuring stable footing. It's ideal for both adults and kids. This stool helps everyone reach sinks, shelves, and countertops with ease. Great for reaching high places or daily tasks. It also works well as a sitting stool. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty. What we like? This step stool is incredibly compact and folds away easily. It's also super lightweight, making it a breeze to move around. If you're looking for a space-saving solution that's easy to carry from room to room, this is the one. It's perfect for those who need a little extra height without the bulk. What people say. Folded flat, it slides out of the way and out of sight next to the washer. Opened up, the top snaps and locks into place and is ready to use in 2 easy steps. Open it up, then snap the top in place. Easy to operate and very stable. Number 4. Mifami RV One-Step Foldable Step Stool. This foldable step stool is built to last. It combines high-quality materials with advanced welding technology. It can hold up to 500 pounds and is coated to resist rust. Getting in and out of your RV is now easier. This all-metal step stool is perfect for pets, seniors, and anyone needing a boost. It's designed for RVs, motorhomes, trailers, trucks, and SUVs. This stool is versatile. Use it to reach high shelves in closets and kitchens. It's also great as a bathroom step stool for kids, helping them reach sinks and counters. It's a great footstool at home, helping you reach high cabinets. You can also use it as an RV step, medical step, or toilet stool. Safety is a priority. This sturdy metal step stool features a non-slip platform and locking buttons for stability. The rubber feet provide extra grip for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like? This step stool is built tough with a high weight capacity and a water-resistant coating. It's designed for easy access in and out of RVs, motorhomes, and trailers. If you frequently travel or need a reliable step for outdoor use, this sturdy option is a great choice. You'll appreciate its durability and safety features. What people say. It is very sturdy and has 3 great height sizes. Works wonderfully, legs fold in and out and lock in place. Very sturdy and stable. This step is sturdy and slip resistant. It is convenient that it folds and is easily stored. Number 3. OOSOFITT 2-Step Folding Step Stool. This step stool features a stable triangular structure, ensuring it won't shake or wobble. The non-slip steps and rubber foot pads provide extra safety. The side cross brace adds even more support. Made of high-quality iron and plastic, this step stool can hold up to 330 pounds. It has reinforced support and wide pedals to stay firm during use. You can rely on it for your needs. With a 17-inch top step, it helps you reach new heights. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, from cabinets to RVs. It can also be a stylish display stand. It opens and folds in seconds, with no assembly needed. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, it's easy to carry for anyone. It's safe for children to use, adding to its convenience. This step stool folds down to just 2 inches wide for easy storage. You can hide it in closets, behind doors, or under beds. It's also great for RVs and trucks. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and lifetime after-sales service. If you have any issues, reach out for prompt solutions. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like? This step stool prioritizes safety with its stable design and non-slip features. It boasts a high weight capacity, making it suitable for various users. If you need a reliable and easy-to-store step stool for everyday tasks, this is a fantastic option. Its compact design ensures it won't take up much space when not in use. What people say. Sturdy and well-built. The step stool is very stable. It is easy to store. Number 2. Flottian 13 Folding Step Stool. This step stool is incredibly strong, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds under static conditions. However, we recommend not exceeding 250 pounds during dynamic use. It's a reliable and sturdy choice for various tasks. Safety is a top priority. The stool features an anti-skid top and rubber feet, ensuring maximum grip and preventing slips. The textured surface and rounded corners make it safe for everyone, including children. This folding step stool is designed for convenience. It folds up to a compact size, only 2 inches wide, making it easy to store anywhere. It's also easy to unfold with a single gesture, perfect when your hands are full. This step stool is versatile. Use it for various activities like reaching high cabinets, cleaning, or helping kids reach the sink. It's a handy tool for both adults and children. We are confident in the quality of this step stool. If you're not satisfied, please contact us. We'll take full responsibility and work to solve any issues quickly and efficiently. What we like. This step stool is designed with safety in mind, featuring non-slip surfaces and rounded corners. It's also incredibly easy to fold and store, saving you valuable space. If you have kids or need a versatile stool for various tasks around the house, this is a great choice. It's a handy helper for everyone. What people say. It's sturdy, easy to open and close, and the compact size makes it perfect for storing anywhere. Folds flat, sturdy and easy to set up. Easy to carry with the handle that folds down when open so you have a smooth surface to stand on. I like that I can reach a bit higher using this stool compared to the 12 one. Lightweight and easy to store in a narrow space. You can feel safe standing on it as the surface is slip resistant. Number 1. Rubbermaid Roughneck Step Stool, Lightweight, Bisque. Is something just out of reach? This lightweight step stool is the perfect solution. It's easy to store and carry, making it a convenient addition to any home. This step stool is made of durable plastic. It can hold up to 300 pounds, providing a safe and reliable boost whenever you need it. Whether it's the kitchen or the bathroom, this step stool is versatile enough for any task. It's designed to make everyday chores a little easier. The surface has an attractive, skid-resistant texture. With 4 skid-resistant feet, it ensures stability and safety on any surface. This step stool is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this essential household item. What we like. This step stool is incredibly convenient and easy to store and carry. It's made from durable plastic and can hold up to 300 pounds. If you need a simple, reliable step stool for use in the kitchen or bathroom, this is a great choice. It's a practical and versatile addition to any home. What people say. It's made by Rubbermaid and has lasted several years. It has always been outside or in our non-heated shed. Still very strong and durable plastic. No cracks. Perfect height for an area needing an extra step up or down. Rubbermaid is sturdy and stable. The step stool is great quality, sturdy, lightweight and easy to move where you need it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.